Welcome back to this short little series, Truck Rips. Stopped into a Target and I got myself 2021 Skybox Metal Universe. Growing up, this was like, it's an iconic set, obviously, and they're trying to recreate that with, there's a bunch of different celebrities, and like they have a Tiger Woods auto that you can pull in this set, which would be insanely cool. Obviously, like Michael Jordan inserts and numbered cards, and so a lot of fun stuff in this one. I really enjoy ripping this every time I rip it. And then I got a few Allen and Ginter packs because I'm a glutton for punishment. And so yeah, let's get into it. Let's open these Allen and Ginter first, and then we'll open the Skybox. See what do we have going on here. That's weird. There's like a I don't know what that is. We got an Andrews base card. She's a sports reporter. We've got a McVoy, another base card, Detroit. We got a pitching a gem, Justin Verlander. I think these are like 1 in 7 packs. And our mini card is a Ramos rookie card for the Giants, regular back. And House, Tim House, he's a musician, never heard of him. And then I guess this is like a filler card or something. I don't know, I haven't seen that before. Anyways, let's try to get something cool. I haven't pulled anything cool in a while, so let's see what we can do here. There's our mini card falling out. It's a Joe Carter regular back. Urias, Julio Urias. We got a George Brett base card. Mike Piazza. And we got a Gibson. Bob Gibson. Banner season. And Alec Thomas rookie card for the D-backs. So nothing crazy yet. We still got one more pack of this, and then I'm really excited for the Sky Metal Universe. That's gonna be a fun one. Robin Yount, Campanella base card. Steven Strasburg base card. We got a banner season, Willie Mays. And our mini card is a Rhys Hoskins. And a Hank Aaron base card. So the Rhys Hoskins is Allen and Ginter back. But so out of those 3 packs, I've pretty much come to the conclusion that Allen and Ginter is booty. And I'm going to stay away from that from now on. So, okay, let's get into this. So this blaster box was $30. 5 packs. 7 cards per pack, total of 35 cards. And let's see what we can find. I'm not sure if Michael Jordan autos are in this or not, but if they are, I'd probably pee my pants and still upload it. Okay, we've got Adrian Wojnarowski, who's a media personality. And these cards, they just have like a really cool look to them. The foiling on them is just awesome. Then we have a Francesco Molinari. He's a golfer. Base card. Again, really cool look to these cards. Oh, cool. We got a Jalen Green. Skybox Premium. It's kind of hard to see so much Not numbered. We have a Ken Gushi. Ken Gushi, who is a race car driver. Never heard of him. We got a Fresh Foundations Kyle Pitts. Or wait, whoops. Fresh Foundations Kyle Pitts insert. I don't know if that's a short print or what. Isaiah Todd Gold Fresh Foundations. And that is not numbered either. And then we have a metallized Lexi Thompson. Not numbered. Pretty cool. She's a golfer, I think. Not too sure. So these cards are just really cool. Like, even if you're getting the base cards in the inserts, you know, if you get your favorite player, you can save that card, and they're just really unique. From a lot of the other cards, they put a lot of thought into these. So looks like we might have something in this pack. I'm not really sure. Roberto Campos. It's a baseball player. Base card. I think it's a base card. Yeah. We got a Mac Jones. What is this? A bronze level base card, I think. Pretty cool. Not numbered. We got a Pat Perez. Got that golf belly going on. Pretty cool looking card. Not numbered. We got a Jalen Johnson. Haven't heard of Jalen Johnson. We got a Toby Miller Fresh Foundation snowboarder. Half pipe guy. We got a Zach Wilson base card. He just got benched recently. It's been I have him in one of my dynasty leagues, and yeah, Trey Lance. So that was a football pack right there. Nothing crazy. I think just base. I'm pretty sure you'll know right away when you hit like a short print or something. I mean, they make it pretty obvious in this set, I'm pretty sure. We got a Scott Abbott playing a banjo. That's pretty funny. We got a metallized Sky Brown skateboarder, a youngin. We got another Jalen Green. And that's an arc weld, so that's one of those short print inserts. That's pretty cool. We got a Fresh Foundations Matt Savoy, hockey player. We got a metallized Jalen Johnson. So Jalen Green, Jalen Johnson, they're everywhere in this. We got a Matthew Wolf golfer. Just a regular base card. And then we got a BJ Boston metallized card. This is like maybe a high school player or something. He's a 5-star recruit out of Sierra Canyon High. He played one season in Kentucky, then declared for the 2021 draft after being selected 51st overall. He was set to begin his pro career wearing red in Los Angeles. 2 more packs here, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. If you would, please leave a thumbs up, like the video, leave me a comment. Really helps me out and allows me to make some of these videos for you guys. So we got a Susan Tedeschi, I think, base card. She's a vocalist, obviously. We got a Coco Gauff, tennis player, base card. That's pretty cool. We've got Michaela Schifrin, who's a skier. Another Jalen Green. It's like a Jalen Green box or something. Metal Universe So I'm not sure. I'll have to look. This might be something here. This might be something. We'll take a look in just a second. Mikaela Shiffrin again, skier, base card. Pat Perez again, base card, golfer. And we have a metallized Jaden Springer. So these are really cool cards. All right, last pack Magic. Last pack Magic. Do we have anything crazy in here? I don't think so. We got a Jaden Springer base card. Fresh Foundation Scotty Lewis. A Justin Fields Metal Universe. Oh, that's pretty freaking sweet. A Justin Fields Blast Furnace. Man, that thing's sweet. That's definitely a short print. I know that for sure. I'm going to have to look at the box right here for a second. Let me look and see what the odds are. Cut above, arc weld. Okay, so the arc weld's 1 in 13. And the blast furnace is 1 in 6. So actually that arc weld that we got earlier is better than this, but still a cool card nonetheless. I'll take it. What's the Metal Universe? Metal Universe. I'm not seeing it. Anyways, moving on. We got a Sarah Winter base card. Colby Stevenson. Fresh Foundations of William Diaz. And a metallized Josh Christopher. William Diaz. Venezuelan prospect. So pretty cool rip. We got a couple short prints in there. This blast furnace of Justin Fields is actually really well centered, and I might get that one graded. So thank you guys for sticking around. Like I said, please thumbs up the video for me. It only takes a second, helps me out. And we'll be back again soon for some more truck stop rips. Appreciate it, guys. Take care.